Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 2 to the power of 22 times 3 to the power of 33. So to solve this, I'm going to first rewrite 2 to the power of 22 as 2 to the power of 2 times 11. And I have this times 3 to the power of 3 times 11. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n. So this turns into 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 11 times 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 11. Now 2 to the power of 2 is 4, so I get 4 to the power of 11 times 3 to the power of 3 is 27, so 27 to the power of 11. And now if I have something in the form a to the power of m times b to the power of m, this is equal to a times b to the power of m. So this turns into 4 times 27 to the power of 11, which is equal to 108 to the power of 11. So this is my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation 9 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 9 to the power of x. So, to solve this, I'm going to start by taking the log on both sides. So I get log 9 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to log of 4 to the power of 9 to the power of x. And from here, if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front, so this turns into b times log a. In this case, I have log 9 to the power of 4 to the power of x, and we can just think of 4 to the power of x as b. So I can move 4 to the power of x to the front, and in my right hand side I can move 9 to the power of x to the front. So I get 4 to the power of x times log 9 is equal to 9 to the power of x times log 4. Now from here, I'm going to divide both sides by log 9. So these two cancel out, and I get 4 to the power of x is equal to 9 to the power of x times log 4 over log 9. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 9 to the power of x. So these two cancel out, and I get 4 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x is equal to log 4 over log 9. Now log 4 is the same thing as log of 2 squared. And log 9 is the same thing as log of 3 squared. So I can move 2 to the front on both, and I get 2 times log 2 over 2 times log 3. So now I'm going to divide both sides by log 2, and I get 4 to the power of x over 9 to the power of x is equal to log 2 over log 3. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over b to the power of m, this is equal to a over b to the power of m. So I get 4 over 9 to the power of m is equal to log 2 over log 3. And now I'm going to write 4 as 2 squared and 9 as 3 squared. So I can rewrite this as 2 over 3 to the power of 2m, or I should say x, sorry, is equal to log 2 over log 3. Now I'm going to take the log on both sides again, so I get log of 2 over 3 to the power of 2x is equal to log of 2 over log of 3. So now I can move the 2x to the front, and I can divide both sides by log 2 over 3, so I get log of 2 over log of 3 over log of 2 over 3, And if I divide both sides by 2, I get x is equal to log of 2 over log of 3 over 2 times log of 2 over 3. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to solve the equation 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 over 9 to the power of x is equal to 81. So to solve this, I want all my terms in the same base. And in this case, this would be a base of 3 because all of these are powers of 3. So we don't need to change 3 to the power of x squared because this is already a base of 3. But 9, I'm going to change to 3 squared, so I get 3 squared to the power of x. And 81, I'm going to change to 3 to the power of 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So I get 3 to the power of x squared over 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So I get 3 to the power of x squared minus 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, this means m is equal to n. So this means x squared minus 2x is equal to 4. Now if I subtract both sides by 4, I get x squared minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now to solve this, I'm going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 4. So I get x is equal to negative of negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 4 all over 2 times 1. Now from here, I get x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 16 over 2. So I'm going to rewrite that over here. X is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 20 over 2. Now, the square root of 20 is the same thing as the square root of 5 times 4, which is equal to the square root of 5 times the square root of 4, which is equal to 2 root 5. So I get x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 over 2, meaning x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 5. So these are my two solutions to this equation. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and also share this video to your friends or family because that would support a lot. And if you want to watch more videos like these, check out my channel because I have a bunch of challenge problems such as these ones. Thank you.